Hi, I'm Burton Warner. I'm a Help Desk 3 technician with Office One. What I want to talk to you today about is 4 ways to improve your printing process and reduce operating costs. One of the things that you can do is apply a rule-based approach to printing. In other words, you don't just print everything out. Companies who have people print stuff all day and then they go to the printer at the end of the day and there's a stack of paper that no one ever even picked up. Talk about inefficiency. Another thing you can do is increase your workplace digitization, using PDFs instead of paper. When you save something to a PDF instead of printing it, you can actually store it in a way that it can be searched through either the metadata, the information inside of the document, or the name. Another one is to repair inefficiencies and replace old technology, because old technologies use more energy, they mess up more, so you end up doing things, duplicating things more. If it's new and up to date, it just works better. Using cloud storage as a workflow process as opposed to printing. If you are in a Word document and you want to save this and get it to a customer or a client or a prospect, you can actually save it to a cloud-based file storage. And most of these, including Office 365 and Dropbox and others, have a way to share that document with the prospective. And they can look at it, and you can have it set up to where they can't edit it. They can print it if they want to, but you didn't have to print it and send it to the snail mail to them. It got to them instantaneously. You just send them a link, and they can access it. So today, things are about efficiency.